Welcome to lecture number 9. What is a lead statement? So we're going to continue using occupational code 1111, financial auditors and accountants, for the purpose of this lecture. Now, when you bring up your occupation code and you get this page here, the lead statement is outlined in this first paragraph. The purpose of the lead statement is to give you a general description of the occupational code and the type of industries that someone in this code would work in, as well as the types of places, businesses, and organizations that they would be employed by. So you'll see here that the first part goes over the duties and what an accountant or someone in this field would typically do, and that'll take you up into this point here. Then you'll see at the end it will list what kind of place they're usually employed by. So here they list, auditing and accounting firms, and they specifically list that it can be the private, the public, or self-employed sector. So you're going to want to take a look through the lead statement and ensure that this actually applies to what you do. If it's nothing similar to what you actually do, and you just find that the job title or the title itself sounded right, then it's probably not your code, and you're going to need to find a different code. So you need to make sure that this lead statement does fit your roles and responsibilities, and that you are working in one of the specified industries.